Good day, ma'am. I am Charmaine Polyansa and I'm going to perform to you the foot care. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. I am Charmaine Polyansa, ma'am, and I am your student nurse for today. Ma'am, I am here today because I'm going to perform to you the foot care. Is it okay to you, ma'am? In this procedure, ma'am, it includes a physical touch. Is it okay to you, ma'am?
Let us all prepare all the equipment needed for the foot care. We have a towel, a two towel. The one is the clean towel and then the other one is man siya itong igamit inig-wash na to or inig-sabon na to sa foot sa to nga patient. Then, the pad or katubitong para dili mabasa ang kaninga sa loob or sa naang bed. Pero this is just only an optional since wala pa mi ato. Then, basin with water. Dapat katamtaman na sa dinya nga temperature. Then, this one, the lotion, the sabon, and this one. Now, for our next procedure, let us get the foot of our patient. Then, level natin siya sa itong basin and rinse it with water. Then, let us get the soap with towel. Then, trapuhan or murag kibalisab na nato ang sa itong patient. Then, let us rinse it with water. Again. And then, ato na dayong trapuhan sa malanga towel. Dapat ka nang dry jud siya. Then, lotion it. After we're done with that, we now proceed to the next foot, side of the foot. Rinse it again with water, then soap, then water, then the towel. Transfer the towel to the other side. Make sure nga until sa imong pasyente is dry na jud kayo. Then, if necessary putlon ang iyang kuko, imong putlon. Pero if dili na, ayaw rapod kay basig gagmay rapod siya kuko. Then, use lotion. Then, do not forget, after you're done, to say thank you to your patient for their participation so the next time they will always participating.
Thank you for your cooperation.
And then do aftercare. Then remove the gloves in your hand and do an hand hygiene.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Charmaine Polyansa. Now, ma'am, I'm going to perform a oral care to you.
Next is inspect the client gums and tanaw nimo siya ug naa ba siya mga like for example na mga mali-mali diya siya nga baba or any drainage or basig na siya any fissure. Now for our equipment, we need to have a pillow, a syringe, an alcohol for hand sanitation, a denture cleaner, a Colgate, a water, the toothbrush, syringe, the petroleum jelly, kidney basin, gas pads, tissue, suction apparatus, and also gloves. And in side lying position. And then put the towel in the patient's neck. comfortable position. Care. Then take off the gloves into your hand and do hand hygiene to avoid cross-contamination of microorganisms. That's all. Thank you.